Ayan, look at the kapaligiran namin, guys. It's clean. Wala na yung furnitures namin dito. Nilagay na namin sa garage. So, wala na. Malinis na. Ready for winter na talaga kami. And Jasmine's toys. And then the umbrella, some other furnitures there is already in our garage. So, hindi na talaga mapigilan ang winter. Magmamuti na naman ang kapaligiran namin dito. So, ready for tubing. And this one here, I need to buy a new cover. Kasi yung cover namin dyan ay sira na. So, I need to buy a new one before mag-snow para hindi masira din ang aming magandang barbecue. Okay. So, wala na. It's very gloomy today. So, happy Sunday everyone.